Hey there YouTube, High Mileage Rider here, and today's video is going to be a review of the Fobo Bike2 tire pressure monitoring system. If this is something you're interested in, then hang around. Okay, let's get started. First thing we'll do is turn this camera around so that you could actually see what the sensors look like on the wheel. Okay, so for the Fobo Bike2 tire pressure monitoring system for motorcycles, it comes in this box, and you can buy it as a 2-sensor, 3-sensor, or 4-sensor. If you had a trike or if you had like a Can-Am Spider, I suppose you could also use these on a car as well. So inside the packaging, it comes with a quick start guide. You would have your 2 sensors. Mine are empty here because they're on the bike. And inside this bottom little pouch, we'll just open that up for you. You get extra batteries, and you also get a lock for each one. I don't have the lock currently on because I've just been riding around town with it. I haven't gone on any trips, but I will put the lock on if I decide to do a trip. So this is what the sensor looks like on the bike. And it's very simple setup. What you do is you screw the sensor onto your stem. You will then get a screen that shows up on your phone, which will tell you to put your phone beside the sensor and hit calibrate. It will then calibrate and show you the information on your app. So let's insert a picture here of what the phone app looks like. Now, once you have the app on your phone and you open it up, you will get this screen. And what this screen does is it allows you to set up a bike, in this case my Super Tenere ES. There are then other numerous screens you can go through. This screen here allows you to set the degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit, and if you want to measure your pressure in PSI, kilopascals, or whatever you like. This other screen allows you to set your tire pressures. I have mine set for 36 PSI in the front and 42 PSI in the rear, and then you can either go with the auto default for how much it goes up or down before it alarms, or you can set an amount. I chose to go with the auto default. This tire pressure monitoring system has been wonderful on my bike. As you can see, I have a very short distance between the stem and the brake rotor, so it's hard to get a gauge in there for me. So it's nice only having to put air in my tires once every couple weeks, because I just open up my app, pick my bike, and then it shows exactly what my tire pressure is. This will be very handy when on a trip and you are either relying on a gas station to put air in your tire, or if you're like me, you carry your own pump, and you can add air whenever you need to. So the Fobo Bike2 tire pressure monitoring system has worked really, really well for me. I haven't had any issues. I've been using it now for about 8,000 kilometers. And it's worked really well. Again, a second pair of batteries does come with it, so it'll be interesting to see how long the batteries actually last, given how much I ride. Yeah, it's been a wonderful system. It was about $130 off of Amazon.ca. And I think it was worth every penny. It's very handy to have. So we're going to try and do some more reviews of different bike gear throughout the season. So if you are into that kind of stuff, we'll see you in the next video.